Welcome yogis, my name's Alex. Today we're just going to talk a little bit about crane and some of the qualities that are required to get the most leverage out of your arms. Crane is basically doing crow with straight arms. You cannot rely on the shelf created by your upper arm bone to rest your knees on. Your knees have to be accountable for themselves, your hips have to be accountable for themselves, and we have to find a bit of leverage and balance between your chest leaning forward and your hips lifting up to create a similar seesaw-like effect. So first, we have to have really good range of motion in the forearms and great trust in your finger strength, your grip strength, and the dexterity in your forearms. And the reason for it is in a regular crow, you're getting your elbows right over your wrists with bent elbows, which even gives you a little bit more leeway as far as the tension caused or created in your grip strength. In crane, we're going to have straight arms and then hyperextend the wrists to the point where your elbows are out in front of your wrists. So you have to have good trust in your finger strength, your range of motion, and your ability to go into a deep range of motion while still having the power to support yourself. So working on that type of stuff will help get you closer to crane. Second, and this comes with, I think, anything in the crow family, we need to be really diligent about the stabilization of your chest and shoulder blade muscles and the wide, hollow chest and upper back. We need your shoulder blades to separate. We call that protracting. So the big skills that help there, one, push through the floor like you're trying to get your hand 3 inches deeper into the floor. You're squeezing the fingertips, but you're actually thinking arms go through the floor. So that your arms and your upper back think, oh, you need me to reach. You want me to reach forward to the point where my shoulder blades move away from my spine, and these serratus anterior muscles that kind of feel like fingertips pull the shoulder blades away from each other and help you to stabilize them. We also want to feel that our shoulder blades are depressing down the back, so the muscles at the base of the shoulder blades, especially portions of your lats, click on to stabilize the bottom of your shoulder blades so that our shoulder heads don't roll forward and our shoulder blades don't wing out. So we're thinking push through the floor, slide the shoulder blades down. We're really strong in these outer armpit areas. Last, we want to feel that your pecs stay engaged, and your pec majors, among other things, help you to cross your arms. So if your hands think squeeze at each other, your chest muscles, your pec majors say, oh, you want me to cross my arms? But when they don't move, your chest muscles say, oh, okay, you want me to stabilize the front of the shoulder. So push through the floor, outer armpit strong, pull in with the hands, chest muscle strong, pull down with the shoulder blades, lats and under shoulder blade muscles strong. We have a nice sectioned out support system around the areas of your shoulder. And with that, it'll give your chest a kind of hollow shape, and it'll give your back a rounded shape. Your legs, we're going to need to bring them into your stomach firmly while tucking the tail and rounding your spine. So anytime you practice cat and cow, anytime you practice stepping forward into, let's say, a warrior one or a high lunge or stepping to the front of your mat, you're getting better at bringing the thigh to your stomach using some glute flexibility and lower back flexibility, some hip flexor strength, and abdominal control. So these are all the elements that are going to help you get to that place. Lastly, use your eyes. Where your eyes go, the rest of your body wants to follow. If we look too far forward or if we look back, it's going to throw off our ability to position your body and your ability to balance your body. So let's try it together. Feet together, bend your knees and open them, and plant your hands shoulder width apart. Push through the floor with straight arms, squeeze your hands at each other, and put your knees as high up into your armpits as you can, so you have as much surface area kneecap to armpit as possible. Actively squeeze your thigh bones up into your armpits and pull your inner thighs to the back of your hip socket, so you feel quite a bit of engagement. Get your fingertips super active so you can see them change colors, and squeeze all of your fingers towards the center line of your palm. Arms stay straight, thighs are strong, tail is tucked, lean forward, and take your feet off the floor. That was fun. Work with it, try not to do too many, be sensitive to any pain in your wrists, and hopefully it clicks. Namaste.